When sound is emitted underwater, it creates sound pressure waves that alternately compress and decompress the water molecules as the sound waves travel through the sea. Sound waves radiate in all directions away from the source like ripples on the surface of a pond. Sound travels about 4 times faster in water compared with air because water particles are packed in more densely. Marine mammals rely on sound to survive. Using clicks, whistles, trills, and barks, they can communicate with their family groups. They even have specific signature sounds that help to identify one another. Listen to the sea lion rookery. It can get super loud. That's why sea lions have identifying barks from mom to pup so no one gets lost. Some marine mammals will even use sound as a superpower to capture prey. Listen to the clicking sounds. Toothed whales use echolocation to find their prey by using the reflection of sounds. They create clicking sounds that bounce off an object or animal. This delivers information such as size, distance, and shape back to the whale. They can even detect a heartbeat from a living creature. Sound is emitted from the dolphin's blowhole. It emits this sound and bounces off the fish or an object. The information travels through the lower jaw to the brain to tell the dolphin what it's seeing. Now we're going to listen carefully to hear orcas singing. Orcas use a series of whistles and squeaks to communicate with each other, each one having their own signature whistle used to identify each other. I want you to grab a pen and a paper and write down all the types of sounds you hear: clicks, whistles, long tones, short tones, squeaks, etc. Most of the sounds that are being made are at such a high frequency that our human ears cannot hear. Let's slow down the soundtrack to see if we can hear more at a lower frequency. Now let's listen again carefully and write down all the sounds you hear. Did you hear more types of sounds during the normal track, or once it was slowed down? Which version seemed louder? Let's try the same thing, this time using a common dolphin vocalization. Be sure to write down all the types of sounds you hear. Now let's slow it down and see if we can't hear more. Cool, right? There are so many types of sounds that can be made, and this skill is super important to have as marine mammals. If you were a marine mammal, what would your signature whistle be? First, you need to make a hard decision. What type of marine mammal are you? Are you a bottlenose dolphin? Are you a common dolphin?
You see how that breath, the big male goes under.
Are you an orca or killer whale?
Gorgeous.
What about a rhesus dolphin? Don't worry, sea lions count too. We've made this fun chart to help you discover your signature whistle. Using your initials, introduce yourself by following the chart. Your signature whistle will be a series of clicks and whistle. A dot means a click. A line means a whistle. So if your initial starts with an A, your first letter would be. If your next letter was a B, it would be. If your final initial is C, it would look like. Put them all together and you get. And that's your signature whistle. Now it's your turn to try. Good luck, marine mammals!